In this video, you'll see how to turn plain text into bulleted and numbered lists in Word for the web. Let's look at this document. On the screen, we have headings like Business Plan, Company Description, Product List, and Service List, and several lines of text underneath each heading. Right now, these items are just regular paragraphs. Let's start by formatting the product items as a bulleted list. First, select all the lines under Product List. Then go to the Home tab and click the Bullets button in the paragraph group. Word immediately turns each line into a bullet. If you press Enter at the end of the last item, Word adds another bullet. So you can continue the list. If you want to finish the list, you can press Delete on an empty line, or press Enter twice to return to normal text. Next, we'll format the services as a numbered list. Select the lines under Service List, go back to the paragraph group in the Home tab, and this time click the numbering button. Each line becomes a numbered item. Again, pressing Enter continues the numbering, and pressing Enter twice ends the list. We normally use bullets for groups of related items, and numbers for steps. It makes your document clearer, more structured, and easier to read.